Hello all, welcome to BIS Academy. So recently, Anil Bosak, he secured 45th rank in UPSC. He was from a humble background. He is an IIT graduate, but his father is a businessman who sells clothes on cycle. Daily he takes clothes on his cycle and he's a street vendor. But Anil, he cracked IIT in his young age and he cracked UPSC. So why are you talking about him? Because we have to be inspired from his immense hard work, passion, determination. In spite of scant resources, he made it. He became the IAS officer, right? So his name is Anil Bosak. He is the son of ordinary clothes seller from Kishanganj. Sorry to say ordinary, from a clothes seller. Nobody is ordinary. Everybody is extraordinary. So this gentleman, Anil Bosak, he secured 45th All India rank. So let us congratulate him. Let us learn from his spirit. Let us learn from his determination. Let us learn from his commitment. So let me tell you a story. After IIT, he started UPSC preparation, and the first attempt he got 616 rank. In spite of his condition, in spite of his economic condition, he wrote that, he gave the second attempt, and then he secured 45th rank. So what a commendable spirit. So you can see here, it's his father on the left and his mother. They are congratulating him. It is his home here, his father and his cycle, who sells clothes on this. His father is very happy because of his son's achievement. His father is also not educated, but still he encourages his son to follow this path. So as said by Nelson Mandela, education is the weapon to change the world for better. So brilliant. So let us learn from this gentleman and let us take our preparation forward. And I wish you all the best and good luck with your preparation.